Placing doors and windows. Let's place some doors in the walls using the door tool. When you place a door in Revit, an opening is automatically created into the wall to accommodate the door. Click the Architectural tab and locate the door tool. Click once on the wall to place the door. You can change the direction of the doors by clicking on the control points. Select the door and click once on the blue icon. This flips the door in the desired direction. You can always change your door type by selecting the door and choosing another door type from the property panel. You can do this before or after you have placed the door, as seen in my example. If you want a new door design, you can always load new doors from the Load family. I will explain how to load new doors or families soon, but let's go ahead and create some windows.